Hello, my dear friends. I'm about to give you a free gift. It's a sample video from my patreon.com site, and it is a mini mentoring session. You'll get one of these every Friday, just as a little teaser, a little taste to see what it would be like to get one of these 5 days a week. If you decide you'd like to have one of these mini mentoring sessions 5 days a week, ad-free, go to A Better Life with FlyLady Kat at patreon.com, patreon.com, and sign up. It's only $5 a month. You get 20 videos a month, and they are designed to give you a kick in the pants first thing in the morning. It's set up so that you can see them first thing, so you can watch them in bed even before you get going. It's designed for payroll and at-home homemakers, and it will help you with the way you think about the way you're doing life and doing the FlyLady system. So I hope that you go over and check out my Patreon site. While you're there, look at all of the other opportunities that I have for you for mentoring. We do personal one-on-one mentoring. There are different levels of that. And also I offer this year in 2022 financial mentoring. So if you need a budget, if you would like to be financially independent, now's the time to sign up for that as well. Okay, have a wonderful day. Enjoy the video. Hello, patrons. Today's title is My Time and My Sleep. I talk about time almost daily in my live videos, but I want to talk about it specifically today to you. Your time. When you fritter away your time, you will say, I don't have any time. I work all the time. It's because you frittered away your time. I'm just going to be honest with you. You frittered it away. You dawdled when you were working. Don't dawdle when you're working. Work as unto the Lord. Work. Get your work done. When you're done, you can putter, which is better than dawdling. You can putter or do whatever it is you want to do, which you want to really enjoy doing. It's fun to say, or it's fine to say, yeah, it's not really fine, but I'm going to say it's fine to say, yeah, I'd rather take my time. That makes me happy. I just want to take my time and do my things. And then 3 weeks later, you're saying, I never have any time to myself. It's because you took your time and you sprinkled it in among your work. You took lots and lots and lots of breaks, and you didn't get that big chunk of time every day that you need because you work hard. So if you worked at a job outside your home, or if you do work at a job outside your home, you do get a break, and you do get a lunch hour, and you do get another break, and that is all. At home, you don't have to work 8 hours in your home. You're only going to work a couple of hours in your home, and the rest of your time in your home is for doing things that make you happy in your home, or for your home, or for you, or for your children. This is what being a homemaker is all about. So if you want to bake bread, you can do that in the afternoon. If you want to Bible study, you can do that in the afternoon. If you want to homeschool your children, you can do that in the morning and part of the afternoon. You can take that 15 minutes in the morning to do your zone, and the rest of the time you work with your children, and in the afternoon you do your basic weekly plan, and then you work some more with your children. You still have time. If you dawdle, if you waste your time, don't come screaming to me that you don't have any time, because you wasted your time. Do your work and then enjoy your time. Don't lay in the bed. If you don't have kids, a lot of people just want to lay in the bed in the morning or go back to bed. What a mistake. What a sad, sad mistake. Or you want to just take forever to do something, just thinking about going through your paper and just making yourself miserable. Don't do that. Get your work. No, this is not fun work. I'm not going to lie to you. Who really wants to mop a floor? Who really wants to go through their paper? Nobody. But you can make it as fun as possible, as nice as possible, by enjoying the movement, enjoying the fragrance, enjoying the music, enjoying the after effects of doing this job. But truly, doing it over and over and over and over and over and over again ad infinitum, yeah, that's not exciting. Nobody wants to do that. I'm not going to fib. But guess what? You can get it done and get it done quick. You can get it done. The more you do it, the more often you do it, the more regularly you do it, the easier it's going to be, and you won't even think about it anymore. You'll just do it. And when you start timing yourself for the actual job, how long it takes, you'll realize how much time you're wasting. So if you sit down and you take a average size load of laundry and you start your timer and you are on point and you fold that laundry and you go put it away and then you look at the clock, how long did it take you? Now, the next time you say, let's say it took you 10 minutes. I don't think it'll take that long, but let's just say it took you 10 minutes. Okay, so it took you 10 minutes or whatever time it took. Now, the next time you sit down to do your laundry and you realize an hour has gone when you're folding laundry, you know you've dawdled. You've watched something on TV, you stopped to play with your children, you go to answer the phone, you got sidetracked and looked at something on the internet, on Facebook, whatever it is. That's not doing your job. Your job is a 10-minute job, and then you can enjoy all those things. Wow, I'm really ranting today, and I'm sorry, but time is so precious and so important, and you only have so much of it. So please stop dawdling and use your time wisely so that you can have time to become more wise. I'll just say it that way. Time gives you more wisdom when you're able to sit down and really enjoy it, maybe by studying or learning or reading or spending time in nature or whatever it is. It's going to give you more wisdom than it's going to be by dawdling through a load of laundry. It's not going to give you wisdom at all. All right, the other thing is your sleep. If you don't get your sleep, you're not going to be good during the day, and it's going to take you longer, and you're going to feel like you're dawdling more. If you are not going to bed on time, and you're not staying in the bed until it's time to get up, and you're wasting your time in bed by watching YouTube videos in the middle of the night, by talking on the phone until really late, by going through Facebook, by looking at the internet, by playing solitaire, whatever it is, in your bed when you should be sleeping, then you are dawdling through your sleep, and you're doing the same thing you do through your work. So is that you? Are you a dawdler or are you a putterer? Puttering's nice. Puttering is sweet and soft and nice, and there's no impingements. Is that a word? Impediments. There's nothing blocking you from enjoying your time. And when you go to sleep at night, you can putter into sleep. In other words, think sweet thoughts, think about nice things, and go to sleep. Now I realize some of you have some sleep issues. See a doctor. See your doctor. See what he recommends. But I would say go to sleep at a good time every night so that you know you're getting your number of hours that you need. And don't tell me you need 4, because that is not true. You need 7 to 8 hours of sleep, sometimes 9 or 10, depends on you, depends on your state of life. You could be pregnant or not pregnant, old or young, there's different needs. I know that if you're a young mother and your baby's up all night long, you are feeling the effects of not getting good sleep. But you're going to get it soon. Try to get your rest every night. If you're not getting your rest every night, don't get up in the morning and go back to sleep. That's going to ruin the cycle. Get up and go get your work done anyway. If you worked outside the home, I always put it this way, if you worked outside the home and you didn't sleep good at night, guess what? You still have to go to work in the morning. You still have to get up, get dressed, and go to work. You have to work until it's your break time, work until it's your lunch time, work until it's your next break time, and work until it's time to go home. And you might be exhausted, but you're going to do the best you can do that day. And you're going to drive home, and you're going to be exhausted. And that night you'll go to sleep, and you'll sleep better. Because every night when you train yourself to go to sleep at a certain time and get up at a certain time, you're going to be better. You're going to sleep better. So don't dawdle through your sleep by playing in the bed. You know what I mean? And don't dawdle through your work by playing through your work. Your chunk of time is so important, and your chunk of sleep is so important to your well-being, to your peace, to the kind of mama you are, to the kind of friend you are, kind of wife you are, kind of homemaker you are. So, kind of child of God you are. Please take these words to heart and do your very best every day. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you have a great week. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you always remember that you are beautiful.